Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashlee if you're new. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about something related to fitness. You guys know I'm a personal trainer and I do share some fitness tips with you guys every now and then here on my channel. So that is what this video is going to be on today. Some tips I've got regarding consistency versus intensity. How to get you to your goal faster. What needs to happen? So we're going to talk about that today. And of course, I want to know what you guys think. Sound off in the comments below if you've got advice, experience, any of those things, because the comments are where the community happens on these videos. So the first thing I want to say before I go ahead and dive into today's video topic is something that I feel is really important. There's a ton of fitness content out there on the internet. You do not have to look more than 2 seconds to find a fitness channel on YouTube or a fitness page on Instagram. And I just want to caution you guys against people who have no qualifications, meaning no education to back it up, talking about fitness and giving hard and fact their opinion as hard and fact, like truth. I've got nothing against moms out there who are inspiring people and encouraging them to live a healthier lifestyle by sharing their journey, but be cautioned against taking advice that is someone's opinion or experience versus someone who is a professional in the fitness industry and has years of experience and education to back it up. So I wanted to throw that out there because I am certified, because I have years of experience, that when I discuss fitness things with you guys here on my channel, I will always give you recommendations, but you'll notice that I do not give hard and fast, like you have to do X, Y, or Z. So I just wanted to throw that out there. So today we're going to be talking about consistency over intensity. And I see a lot of confusion happening between these two things very, very often in the fitness realm. But before I talk about the fitness side of it, I just want to talk about life in general, right? So let's talk about money. So say your goal is to save $5,000. Now, when you put that $5,000 in 6 months, okay, are you going to be more successful at saving if you're saving every week or every 2 weeks a certain amount of money, or if you're saving a lot of money on like 1 week and then nothing for a few weeks and then a lot of money on another week, right? You might reach your goal, but you might not. Consistency wins every time. I've said that before and I'm saying it again. If you want to save money, a consistent savings plan is going to help get you there faster. If you want to work on a character flaw or trait within your children, consistency in your parenting and discipline tactics are going to get you there quicker. Fitness is no exception. What you do consistently matters far more than the intensity you do it at. Now, this is important because a lot of times what happens is people get really, really jazzed and really excited to make a lifestyle change, or they set a really big goal for themselves. Now, nothing is wrong with that, but usually when people do that, they go, excuse my language, but balls to the wall. They're like all in, so strict, every day, da-da-da-da-da. And that usually, there are exceptions, but usually results in people becoming burned out and then completely stopping for a while and going back to their old ways and then trying to pull themselves out of that and then go intensity again. Now, I will say that I am not here to make everybody feel like what they're doing is great and wonderful. If you want to lose weight and you want to get in shape, the intensity of your exercise does matter. It really does. If you're intensely exercising 5 days a week and you can physically maintain that emotionally and physically, then you will reach your goal faster. It's just fact. It's the science behind fitness and nutrition and body change. However, most people can't do that. So what you do consistently is what matters more. So let's say you need to lose 20 pounds. And you see this girl on Instagram and she really recommends HIIT training, which you guys know that I am a huge fan of. There's science behind it and there's reasons why it works. That's another video though. So you see this HIIT training. So you try this HIIT training workout 2 times and it's super intense, but it makes you so sore that you're not doing anything but those 2 workouts in a week. What is gonna be better if you were doing yoga or Pilates where you feel worked and you feel your muscles engaging, but you do Pilates 5 days versus those HIIT workouts 2 days? What is gonna get you your weight loss goal faster? Probably, if your food's in line, the 5-day-a-week plan, because consistency matters. It's the same with food, same with nutrition. You might do really, really well on a strict diet for 5 to 7 days. And then you go crazy for 3 days. And then you feel guilty and you try to rein it back in. And you go super hardcore strict again for 5 days. And then you fall off the wagon again, right? So in a 30-day time period, how many days were you actually eating on that plan? Let's say maybe 12. Well, that's less than half of the month. So wouldn't it be better if you made smaller adaptations and smaller things until you were ready to really tackle the huge things that led you to more consistency over a time period, 30 days, 60 days? That is going to generate more results, because at the end of the day, losing weight is really all about the calories in versus the calories out. And a lot of people want to make it seem more complicated than that, but it really is not more complicated than that. If you want to lose weight, you have to be in a calorie deficit, which means eating less than your body requires. Now, should you be on an 1,000 calorie diet? Absolutely not. But if you're an average size woman, for me, my maintenance level calories are, because of the workouts I do and things like that, so this is going to be specific to you, is usually around 2,200 calories a day. So if I want to lose weight, I need to hop on down to the 1,800 to 1,900 calorie range, just a little bit of a deficit. But what people think is, oh, I was so strict, and you're only eating, 1,500, 1,400 calories a day. But on Saturday, it's your cheat day. And so you eat like 3,000 calories. You average that out over the week, and it's the same as if you would have been eating 2,100, 2,200 every single day. And that's why you don't lose weight like that. So consistency over time is way, way, way better than intensity when it comes to diet and when it comes to exercise. So if you're someone who is looking to make some healthy lifestyle changes, I encourage you to focus on what you can do consistently versus the intensity you can do it at. Now, like I said, intensity does matter and results are generated faster. And as far as like building muscle and things like that, you do need to bump up your intensity, but that comes later. You don't go from 0 to 100 in 2 days. You go from 0 to 30 and you hold strong at 30 for a while, and then you go to 60. And that's how you make lasting lifestyle changes. So I hope this video resonated with you guys. If you've got any fitness questions, you can post them down below. And if you are looking for individual fitness support, I do coach online. My email is always down below. This is actually the first time I'm announcing that on my channel because I never have stated that before, but I get a lot of questions about it. So I wanted to throw that out there. That is for individual coaching and individual training. But if you've got questions, fitness questions, I can help you out a little bit down below. But I hope this video helped you guys and gave you some encouragement if you're looking to make some healthy lifestyle changes, to go ahead and proceed with what keeps you the most consistent. So until next time, bye guys.